Dobri je dan, dobri ljudi. Evo mene, javljam se iz tog sela Drenova. I eto mene u maloj akciji vađenje spajalce unutarnjega džepa. A, u tom trenu realizovše nevenče. To unutrašnji džep, desni, druge jakne, stonga, neven kreće u akcione akcije. Traženja imalo sličnijeg metalčića, štapića, ali tvrdoća mora da bude, da bidne, da zamijenim sim kartice, da se spojim na internet prek mobitela, jer s poslovnijeg mobitela su disablovali kablovinu da šera internet. I eto, kakve li je to logike, ako ja mogu izvadim simcu, turnem u drugi i stisnem share internet. Nema logike. Ja mislim, razumujem da većina naraštaja nije mentalno kapatibilna da stane i razmisli da je to moguće. Jer eto, naprosto, ni meni nije to odmah došlo, tek jedno 2 mjeseca. Ali opet, ispred nosa, ma previše sam otegnuo ovaj intra, idem da nađem štapić. Iglica neka nešto. I pa sam kod cure u kući, ona žensko, ona mora da ima igle neće. Vode kranjeno, pamučni bod. Da bi igle stale jebem ti. Špice neke. Ne mogu je ni nazvat. Detinstvo indijanskog dječaka. Dobra podna knjiga. Vidjeli su ti igle jeblate zemlja. Spajalica makar ja. Koji moraš gledati. I minuša. Molim te, nešto se slanja. Nijesam siguran. Nije nešto kompatibilno, ajde, otaj. Ispod stola. Ma ja ću da pauziram ovo dok ne nađem nešto. To će tek biti kontenta. Ali neka je bolje, to je lijepo ako ništa. Ja. A jesam. Vazdušno. Ja, ali bliže sam ja njemu i duševno, ali on neće to da prizna. On je prefrigan. On je jedan mlađak. Ma da, PPM. Flip. Hvala Bogu. Ajde da se i on malo, da je dobio naše šljašti. I on malo mi je bio zapušten. Zapuštao si. Mislim, igrom slučaja tako, nismo mi krivi. Evo ga, klikćem rupicu jednom rukom, Barbara, upalila se blic lampa. Kako sam počeo snimati ove gluposti s ovim nekim fake govorom, očekujem Mališu da će iskočiti iza kauča svaki sekund. To i ovako glupe akcije kalibar njegov baš. Mislim glava, ne Mališa šta radi. Čekaj, fun fact. U mom SIM treju, maloj ladičici, imam jednu crnu telemah i jednu svjetlo-plavu telemah. Ako je okoja, sad će to da se... Mogu. Ajde, vi mos. Jesu baš slatka mala, a vi mos. Hajde. Duplo snimanje, ljudi moji, opticaj. Tu su mi krekeri da ne bi mislili da je neka dronga ili nešto. Pošto je 6. Pol podne pronišlo. Jebem ti. Evo, tak ću ti isnimin, vidiš tu mali žljebić iskočija i onda ga noktom ga zavadim ovako. Kao što se zavadili na Balkanu oni neki narodi. Jebem ti. Evo iglica radnica. Izlaze žljebovi sad, tu vidiš kako izlaze, male ladičice, čice. Ne mogu jednom rukom, jebem ti tripod, moram da kupim tripod. Molim. Tu ima brojeva, ako treba brojeva, kakih, kome. Ovako kad se zoomiš sve izgleda kao realna SIM karta, ali onda vidiš moje prste. I kažeš, ujebate sirovog momka. Ali kažeš, mali jesu. Ja bih rekao da je plava novija. A šta? To je neka novi fol, više nego crni fol. A ovo je najstariji fol. Hehe, čujemo se. Zalijem i svarim mešanu sajlu u ploču betonsku. Zalijem i svarim. Jebem ti Boga. Ovo snijema, morat ću to pauzirat da ne snijema moje googlovanje šta piše na Al-Qaida zelenoj zastavi sa bučkorišom i sabljom doli. Evo Gana. Ali nije Gana, nego je Al-Qaida. Eto šta piše šahada. Ako li vam treba šahada na zelenom polju, obratite se jebenoj zastavi od muslimančina šugavih. Profesija od vjere. Bravo. Jesi morao to razglabat. Umjesto koji mi, samo da idemo i živimo i vjerujemo da je vjera najjača i da nema toliko jaka da ne moramo ni zapisati, nismo pičke kao vi, zelenbači, šugavi. Crna Gora do Vizanta. Da, malo me ponijelo i to tako ide. Ništa, da je ono što piše u škripu, na zelenom polju s njihovim bananama. Ova statamenta, znači, nema Boga, do Boga, tačka zarez, to je veoma kompleksan jedan znak u ovom sloganu koji misli tačka zarez. Muhammad, to znači I am mad. Man. Probably something like that. Oh, my English switched on. So, is the prophet of God. Wait a minute, I need to translate this on Balkanic. This is too complex for me to comprehend, like Prevedi. English discovered. On Croatian. Ne Bog ahn Boga Muhammad i Buži Paslanak. So they literally doesn't have God and he's just a messenger, so he's like, how do I say, value is like, if God is 10, his value is like 0.2 at max. Muhammad probably means messenger, it starts with M, so it's Muhammad, it's coming like Muhammad message, so literally most uncatchy, unhooked. It's not possible to be hooked on that religion. Like, what the fuck? You just try to resist pagan South Slavic gods. Like tomorrow, you will go outside with a metal helmet and wings and an axe and a metal golden armor and respect the woods and be in a flow with forest and see in the future 2 minutes ago, like Nicolas Cage, man. Just try to research Balkan Slavic gods, pagan, with circles and Perun and Svarog and Dashbog, yes, and I am Dashbog, I'm a reincarnation of Dashbog, you cannot understand it. I mean, you can understand, but you cannot feel it like me. Look at my nails. Look at me nails. It's good nails, man. Also, like, vibing to be in a, relation or, be literally the god. you could say it's reincarnation, but I'm literally that guy, because everybody is some variation, everybody is some Slavic pagan god. If you're born here and living here forever, like it's in your blood, you just need to activate it. One famous person that said something like that he's literally that god, is a cracker hacker empress from Russia. So it's the same natural religion, born celebration, how we literally translated, or real celebration, a real party, and our name is Slavic people, so partier people, people who party, they who party. So how you can so Empress, okay, it's 10-11 minutes video now, nobody will watch this. It wasn't funny, it won't be funny. I'm on phone, but nothing is going here. So my eyes are white, very white. I like this natural filter that I putedovina. Wait, I need to translate on Bosnian, so it's like most close to ultimate Balkan language. Bosnian. Nije Bog osim Boga. Muhu je Božji prorok. So they're literally lost in their catchphrase. So, for an example, they are lost. No progress. A sabre, simbolično, od militacije, od njene vjere, je nekada dodano na dizajn. Normalno, to su dodali sabljevinu, ovu sabljevinu ka su dodali, ako ne razumiješ kore teksta što piješe, nož sablja tu, bit će ti jasno. Ali to je možda tako preformulirano za šire narode. Ja vjerujem da je ovo samo jedna linijesa koju su zaboravili povući tokom skeniranja zastava dizajna. Pa su onda kao malo načičkali kao, ma nož, a ono liniju pustili slučajno, eto. Sad ću ja vama pokazati za primjer jedan dobar slogan i dobru zastavu. Volio bi pauzu da se stisnemo lično. I evo ga, tu smo na pokazivanju jednog veoma dobre zastave te slogana, koji glasi ovako: za kralja i otadžbinu, for our king and fatherland, freedom or death, sloboda ili smrt. Pirate, literally pirate flag, it's more little meaning, cool font, cool design, nothing else needed. Also there's variations like, with faith in God, freedom or death. Like, they literally just want to be free and nobody fucks with them. Same as pirates, same as Wild West. You played the Red Dead Redemption 2, like the people going to America to build houses and live free from the law. Law evaders. Outlaws, yes. Like, this is the same story. Also, they have, like, most brutal designs for like symbolica on hat, like this. Look at this motherfucking shit. It's called cocaine because French people support them, and cocaine is like French word, like it's Iron Cross with a small Serbian shield in the but it's not like Serbian. That's Serbian meaning in that times means whole Balkan Slavic, South Slavic people. Also like pirate skull here, swords crossed here, snakes attacking from left and right, because that was the reality in those times. Snakes perceiving, of course, black ustashas, sleazy motherfuckers stabbing in the back, and falcon lover, perceiving fighting on both sides at the same fucking time, with millions of snakes, and above everything is like letter P, that means power. That means like Kralja Petra God, King Peter, he was a good boy, like pravedan. ne znam kako, I don't know how to say it in English, I don't know if this is English video even more. And on top of everything is a crown. Because crown, I don't know, kingdom more epic than country. What's that? What's government? And so on. I can scroll forever. Those cool balkanic insignia. Forbidden. Because it's wrong. Yeah, what's wrong? They literally wanted freedom. And everybody else molested them. Like German Nazis, Croatian Ustashas, that was like German Nazis wannabes, fanboys, groupies, partisans that waited like dok se ovi pobiju s ovima, and the rest of later from the battle of from Nazis and Chetniks, partisans just strolled in and said, "Oh, you're wounded, you're half dead," and finished everybody else. Also, leader of them is father of John Lennon. If you didn't know, you can research it. Also, the Serbia do Tokyo means Serbia and to Tokyo, until Tokyo. Literally has sense. All my life I thought like it doesn't have sense, but it has sense because DM, Draža Mihailović, grandpa, dear grandpa, was in Slovenia at one time, fucked with Slovenian woman or some woman that was in Slovenia at that time. Then the Second World War broke. Then the woman fled to America, of course, and DM went back to organize people because he was the most smartest, most humanoid people available for the pirate Chetnik movement. And yeah, that woman went to America. Baby, that baby, John Lennon. Of course, they changed the surname name so nobody can track because stupid people literally roamed all the world just to end the, I don't know, family tree of some leader. And that Lennon, if you can remember, his wife, Yoko Ono, which is Japanese, which is Tokyo. So, Serbia until Tokyo makes fucking sense. I cannot believe this. This is fucking insane. And John Lennon died on the street. The legend says probably some hunters hunted him down and like shouted behind him like, "John, Mihailović." He didn't turn because he was frozen scared. "Hey, John, Draža Mihailović." He turned a little and bullet, 2-3 bullets to the head, to the back, and there's like known spots where he was shot. I don't want to hear details anymore. More details. It wasn't needed. But it's funny. Oh, what I have here, like modern age cringe iterations. Like, look at this cringe skull. What the fuck is this? Also, the woman's in that movement was called a roundabout, like a wheel of Serbian cis, like kolo srpski seka, like cis is like sister, but sweet version. Kolo means like wheel, circle, like there. They're also like Serbian. What means in that times means Balkanics like cis, and like DM was saying, sve su naše srpske seke. Every our she is our cis, like by the default. So it was like family shit. It was the most casual army in the world. Yeah, of course, they're like a trans party. If you can Google the pictures, it was like field and everybody in small groups. That's the name. Chetniks, the groupies, like or something. Literal translation. It was like in a field, casual, easy, most casual army in the world. First army also to invent like what is MI6. They literally invented that few days before that the EM guy, dear grandpa, invented that because he realized that was the future of war. So yeah, okay. I'm scrolling a little more. I'm going back. I want to like find some spicy new cringe like logos for you to show. For you to show. For you to show. Oh, the first logo, like 1913, 1920 logo, 20 logo, the OG lad, like revolvers from, like it looks like literally some thing ripped from Red Dead Redemption or something, but it is OG Chetnik's logo with wheat and guns and like female-ish this, which represents Serbian sisters. Chetnik logo. Wait. Like literally, look at this fucking photo that jumped out. What the fuck is that shit? What the fuck is that shit? European Union's will sucking or sucking Serbia or Serbia rising through it. Like, is this some kind of game? Can I download it for Android? Oh, look at this selling on eBay. Like, patch. Serbian Chetnik movement, freedom or death. Very good, on point. The boys knew. Also, yeah, one more fun fact. I have a library of them. Like, at the end of the Second World War, they were literally desecrated by the German demonstrations. They literally survived that and then slaughtered to zeros by the partisans that watched all this shit behind the hedge. And they like the rest of the world, like ignored because this was so fucking hard. The rest of the world constantly thought they will all die, but they wouldn't die because they're Balkan power. You know, Balkan source rightful power, and they like few of them managed to cross from Dinara Mountain to like Rijeka, Trieste in Italia, because they Bečalisim, I don't know how to say it. They told to them like, yeah, come here. We secured your rations and better weapons. Yes, of course they fought with what you find weapons. Like they literally had like 19, 20, 30 weapons, like clunk, all with little sword and bayonet. Like they literally survived. Also, the leader of Dinara division was like a pope. Like he was like, I don't know, a priest. He was the main priest in village. And he at the beginning of the war, he realized, oh my god, I need to save my friends, my local house friends, gather them and run to the hills. Run to the hills. And he of course started to be leader, like Chetnik Voivoda, because he is leading the army. Army lead, literal translation. And of course, like, now it's everything bended and twisted. So when they crossed the Rijeka Fiume, my town, entered Italian, they said to them, "Hello, boys, come with us. Come with us to the local concentration camp. Come, it's not the, it's not bad concentration camp. It maybe looks like that. Everything's fine." So they like, and please, leave all your guns here. Tomorrow we will give you the new guns, the better guns, of course. and stop everything. Like, just chill in that concentration camp. Everything will be fine. Of course, few of them, like literally, that was young at the beginning of the war, like 20-something years, literally executed themselves on that river, on that on that when they told them to leave guns and like the guys literally with his hairs, theirs last bullets executed themselves because there was like nothing else to live for. Like they were manipulated many times until this point. I skipped many. Like the king was in England and fucking disgusting Churchill manipulated our young king. That was king, yeah, emergency king. He didn't manage to breathe literally, and fat Churchill sat on him literally, and that king from England, like over the radio, says, "Stop fighting, my dear Chetniks. Enjoy the partisans." That was literally slaughtering them on the most sleazy way possible. Also, the interesting fact, the Nazi Germans was the most normal army in our wars, like most going by some rules army. And of course, after that, like concentration camp weapons, they didn't give them new weapons. Of fucking course, many of them realized that the children were born there, and they went to American living like normal life until their death. Of course, that leader Pope guy, I don't know, priest guy from Dinara, survived a long time. He was a good speecher. You can Google how it's called, Jewish. You can Google DJU JIC Voivode. Enter on YouTube and you can see his last speech of his. He's like a cheerful guy, of course, because he was a people's guy. He was a fucking church guy, main church guy. How is it called? Church leader, church leader, same church. And where's this video going? Yes, I am exchanging SIM cards. Sorry, continuation. A little 20 minutes like slide off with a Balkan history story. If you're interested more in that, write me in the comments. This video will be on fićfirić, not fićfirić, because YouTube cannot handle this, and on YouTube some people know me and they will connect the dots. I got fired, and that's because I'm picking through that still 2023 still cannot be accepted. SIM cards, man. Of course, it's Saturday 6 p.m. You know what state that is. I mean, it's good state. Good, you're good. SIM cards. Now I'm extracting SIM from my business phone. It ejected. Like this is only SIM card with data. Mr. Data. So it's white. I'm literally, the good thing is that I'm taping because to remember which one. So white boy got the shout. Bracket. This my OG personal. Yeah, wow, me Redmi Pro DM ⁱ Mihajlović 8 Pro. Like on the slot 1, it's 1, yes. On the slot 2, this was the newer one. That has probably working phone number. And I will insert all that in my anus, or I mean, Redmine Pro 8814. Oh, nothing. Let's see, will it accept it? Will it accept it? Will it accept my insertions. Also, if you're interested in some insertions, just Google chat 4, like number, CHAN space GIF space catalog. I press enter, press the first link. Thank you. No, thank you. I mean, thank you. Thank you later. Yeah, that's the term. A little bit hard with English. Rusty. SIM for mobile. Data, Mr. Data. No, so it's the first one. A1. A1, like perfect. I mean, A1. A1. I mean, it's literally the same shit. My Goto network provider in Balkania is Telemaca, because before it was Tele2, and they like upgraded to Tele3 and 3, like Mach 3, Telemach, but nobody gets that. Literally, one morning I called the customer support and I asked the lady, "Hi, it's a good joke that you like upgraded to 3 and then changed Mach 3 with Mach, because Mach 3 Telemach it's a very cool gimmick." And she was like, "Stvarno ne znam, I really don't know." I don't know that. No, money. It's not like that. And I was like, what? It's not like that. Just accept it. It's cool fact. And she just continued, no, it wasn't like that. And I was like, vidi sam pa ti naraštaj, pokoljenje. The phone is jiggly. It's vibrating. So data is probably working. So this 32-minute video is going up right now. Fuck so bravo, check it out now. Fuck so bravo. Franjo so brava. Frank Salt. Fuck so bravo, check it out now. Fuck so bravo, check it out now. Also, the reason of me learning all that Balkan history is to provoke people, because I'm into nature, I'm punk.